Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Hakimi bin Jamuri. Number matrix 25DDT21F2036. I would like to present about problem-based task, subject computer system architecture. Firstly, I want to introduce my teammate. First is Wan Ahmad Karudin bin Wan Nur Hisham. 25DDT21F2035, and secondly Nazrin Nazmi bin Sharul Azmi 25DDT21F2031. Right. First question is state out content of each register for each execution. Present the output by using Easy68K simulation software. So we go to the Easy60K simulation software. Alright, at here you can see the coding. First, you must start. You must input the start, origin, $sign, and 1000. Meaning of $sign is hexadecimal number. Alright. After that, you must input move.l. L is a long word, and then put hashtag $sign 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and put comma and D3. Alright. After that, same like this. Move.l hashtag $sign AABB2244, comma D4. Alright. After that, put add dot word. Add is addition to binary number, and W is a word, and input put the D3, comma D4. Alright. After that, put in sub.b. Sub is subtraction, and B is bit. And then D3, comma D4. After that, put mulu. Mulu is a multiplication, and input D4, comma D3. And then exchange. Exchange is interchange the content of the two register. Right. After that, D3, comma D4, and put N and click and put start. Right. After that, at here you must click run. At here, click and make sure no warnings or error, and click execute. After that, you can see the coding at here, and you must click run again and click close. And at here you can see the answer at D3 and D4. D3 is AABB7844. At D4 is 289F37E0. Alright.
Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Ahmad Kabrida bin Wan Hisham. I will answer question number 2. Write an instruction set to solve the following equation. Y equal to ABC base 16 plus 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 base 2 minus 48 base 10. Store the total result into the register D1. Present the instructions step by step by using Easy68K simulation software. Alright, for question number 2, we start with start space org space $sign 1000. And then we type move.w. Move is to moving the source to destination. And then space hashtag dollar sign ABC, comma D0. The dollar sign is stand for hexadecimal and D0 is the destination. And then move.w space hashtag percentage sign 1010111, comma D1. The percentage sign is stand for binary number and D1 is the destination. Then move.w space hashtag 48, comma D2. The number 48 is decimal, so decimal don't have any special sign. And then we put add to add the D0 and D1. So we type add space D0, comma D1. And the answer will be stored in D1. Then we type sub for subtraction and then space D2, comma D1. The answer will be stored in D1 and then we for the closing we type N and start. And then I will show you what's the result. We press F9 or we push this button and then make sure there's no warning or error and then just click on execute. And then you will come to this window, show you the code that you just made, and then to see the answers you can either press F9 to run all of it, or you can either press F8 to run it one by one, or just click here. Let me test. All right, press, and then this is the result. The source that we put in D0, and this is the source that we put in D1, and then this is the source that we put in D2. And then for add, we press F8 again, and then the result will start in D1 here. And then for the subtraction, we press F8 again, and then the result will appear in D1 again. And then that's all for the result for question number 2. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nazrin Nazmi bin Sharazmi. I will continue with question 3. Write a program to calculate the water volume of the polytechnic Mesing's water tank. Assume the water level in the tank is equivalent to your age. Present the instruction step by step by using Easy68K simulation software. So for the weights is 10 meter, for the length is 20 meter, and the height of water, your age. Okay, for question 3, we start with start and then space org space $signs 1000, and then we put move.w. Move is stand for moving source to destination, and then space hashtag 10. 10 is for width of water, and then comma, D0. D is stand for destination. And then move.w space hashtag 20. 20 is length of water, comma, D1. And then we put move.w space hashtag 22. 22 is height of water. So I just put Wan Ahmad Khairuddin age, that is 22 years old. So I just put 22 and then comma D2. Next we put Mulu. Mulu is stand for multiplication. Next space D0 comma D1, and the answer will be stored in D1. Next Mulu space D1 comma D2, and for closing we put N and start. So for to see the result, you just press F9 or click the button. Make sure no warning or error, and then click execute. This is the code that you just make, and then to see the result, we press F9 to run all, or we just press F8 to run one by one, or just click this button and at this. This is the source that we put in D0. This is source that we put in D1, and then this is source that we put in D2. Okay, for the answer for multiply D0 and D1, the answer will be stored in D1. This, and then for the multiply D1 and D2, it will be stored in D2. Okay, then that's all the result for question 3.
Alright, now I will continue with question number 4. Write an instruction set in assembly language to generate the output of the following combinational circuit according to the input given as below. The output of Q should appear in D2. Present the instruction step by step by using Easy68K simulation software. A equal to 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 base 2, and B equal to 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 base 2, and C equal to 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. Alright, for question number 4, we start with start space org space $1000. Next, we type move.l, and L is stand for long word, space hashtag percentage sign 10100011, comma D1. Then we type move.b, and B is stand for byte, space hashtag percentage sign 11001101, comma D2. And then next, move.b space hashtag percentage sign 0 1 1 1 1 011, comma D3. And then we type mulu. Mulu is stand for multiplication, space D2, comma D1. And next, not space D1. Next, mulu space D2, comma D3. And next, add space D1, comma D3. And the question asks for the Q to place in D2. So we put EXG space D3, comma D2. That means D2 and D3 will swap the place. Next, I will show the result of this coding. We press F9 or this button and then make sure there's no warning or errors and then click execute. Then this window will pop up. So we will test this code one by one by pressing F8 or this button first. Alright, the first line will place in D1 and it will show in D1 box. Next, the second line will place in D2 and the code will send the source to D2 and also the same with D3. Next, the line say multiplication D2, comma D1. So the answer will place in D1. So here the answer and then not D1. And we press F8 again and the code will run. And the next multiplication D2, comma D3 and press F8 again. So the answer will appear in D3. Next, EXG D3, comma D2. So the D3 and D2 will swap the place and like that. Then, alright, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, for question 5, write an instruction set in assembly language to accomplish the following task. Present the instruction step by step by using Easy68K simulation software. Okay, first, org, $1000. Sum the birthday date of your entire group member in long word size. Second, store the result in the register D4. Next, find the average age of your group members. Next, store the result in the register D5. Next, multiply D4 by D5. Okay, and last, store the result in register D1. Okay, for question 5, we start with start space org space $1000 and then we put move.l. Move is stand for moving source to destination and then space hashtag. My birthday is on 8 February 2003, so I put 08022003 and I put at D0. D is stand for destination and then we put move.l space and I put Hakimis birthday. Birthday Hakimis on 27 February 2003. So I put 27/02/2003 and comma D1. Okay, next move dot L space what Ahmad Karuddin birthdays is on 9 August 2000. So I put 09/08/2000, comma D2. And next we put add dot L. Add is stand for addition. So next space D0, comma D1. So the answer will store at D1. So next add, then add dot L D1, comma D2. So the answer stored is at D2. And then we put move dot L. So we move D2 to D4. So D2, comma D4. And then divu. Divu is stand for divide. So I will divide the addition to 3. So I put 3, hashtag 3 and comma D2. Next move dot L. So I move D2 to D5. So I put D2, comma D5. And then mulu. Mulu is stand for multiplication. So we divide. So we multiply D4 and D5. So D4, comma D5. And last EXG. EXG for stand for exchange. So exchange D5 to D1. And to closing, I put N and start. So to see the result, we just press F9, or we can click this button and make sure no warning and no error, and then click execute. Okay, that is all the code that we make. So to see the result, we can just press F9, or to see one step by step, we can press F8, or we can press this button. This is source that we put in D0. This is source that we put in D1. This is source that we put in D2. And then for addition, D0 and D1, the answer will be put in D1. Yes. For next addition D1 and D2, the answer will put in D2. Yes. So next, we move D2 to D4. That's. And next, we divide D2 to 3, and that's. Next, D2 we move to D5, and that's. So next, multiply. We multiply D4 and D5, and the answer will be put in D5. That's. And last, we exchange D5 to D1, so the answer will be put in D1. Okay, that's okay. That's all the result for question 5. Okay, thank you.